Indy ground. You need to contact clearance for your squawk code and a VFR departure clearance through the Quest, Charlie. Contact clearance 128.75, and we'll get you out to the runway.
All right, roger that, 97 Quebec.
Yeah, that's their pre-taxi and their clearance. That's weird.
I guess we...
Hey, ground left 40, ready taxi without.
All right, let's see. This works. Indianapolis clearance delivery. This is Skyhawk 4397 Quebec Ed signature, ready to taxi for departure to the northeast VFR with Oscar.
Calling for VFR plus following. What's your full call sign?
Skyhawk 4397 Quebec.
Talking too fast. Slow down and say it again, please.
Skyhawk 4397 Quebec.
November 4397 Quebec, roger. And do you want a flight following all the way to your destination or just outside of the Quest, Charlie?
We can just do it out to our destination. That's fine. 97 Quebec.
Did you say outside of Quest, Charlie?
That's fine. Outside of Quest, Charlie. Fine. 97 Quebec.
97 Quebec, roger. Stand by.
Did you have to do this back in St. Louis or Nashville? Did you go to Charlie?
No, we went to a Delta.
Oh.
But even the Charlies that I've gone to, I've never had to do that. No, just in general, like how long?
4397 Quebec. Maintain VFR at below 3,000. Departure frequency will be the tower frequency. You'll be staying with the tower and squawk 4544.
All right, maintain 3,000 and remain with the tower frequency and squawk 4544, 4397 Quebec.
97 Quebec, read that correct.
That's 97 Quebec. I just taxied 2 Diamond Stars on taxiway Mike to the runway 32 at the Juliet intersection. Can you take runway 32 at Juliet? The wind's 300 at 7.
That's fine. Runway 32 at Juliet, 97 Quebec.
4,100 feet remaining for 32 at Juliet, and Cessna 907 Quebec. Just report when you have the 2 Diamond Stars in sight. Victor 5674 Indy ground, taxi ramp via Charlie and Romeo Kilo. This is 97 Quebec. It'd be a right turn on Mike, and then taxi to the Juliet intersection.
Right turn on Mike, then taxi to Juliet, 97 Quebec. All right, normal takeoff.
4397 Quebec, Indy Tower.
Yeah, we just finished our run-up. 4397 Quebec, holding short of runway 32 on Juliet, ready to go.
Skyhawk 4397 Quebec, wind 3107, gust 14, fly runway heading, runway 32 at Juliet, clear for takeoff.
All right, fly the runway heading, runway 32, clear for takeoff, 97 Quebec.
Hey!
I ain't never felt so rushed in my life.
Yeah, oh boy. They get you in and they get you out.
Right? They don't even look busy.
I know, right? There's only a couple people here.
But it is international, so I guess.
1591, 7 mile
All right, line up. Power full. Stay on the line.
1591 Indy Tower, wind 3106, gust 14, runway 5 right.
Dismiss in the green.
Right up 1591.
Speed is alive. Fly runway heading.
Charlie 4, contact ground 100.
Charlie 4, ground 100, sounds good.
500 Indy Tower, runway 32 at Juliet, line up and wait, and say on course heading for Higlet intersection.
This is 4397 Quebec, DuPage. Sir, you said you're southeast of field. How far southeast?
About 13 miles.
Cessna 69 Golf, contact ground.
I think we're a bit closer.
Oh.
Archer 68 Alpha, contact ground.
This we're 13 nautical miles.
Wow.
I'd wonder if it's wrong.
That's interesting.
Cessna 97 Quebec, I see about, let's call it 8 miles south of the field. Make straight in, runway 2 left.
Straight in for runway 2 left, 97 Quebec. Oh, this thing is wrong then.
Yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, my iPad says 8.9, 8.9
runway 2 left, cleared to land, wind 040 at 11.
2 left, clear to land, 97, go back.
Cessna 79 Victor, runway 2 right, clear for the option.
$954, 1,200. Or what was it? Like 320? But no, 68, so like 1,000. Glide slope. Alright, I'm gonna take it off.
Cool. Great job.
1, 2, 3. Follow that glide slope all the way down. That was the weirdest landing too. I think we literally did the most stupid thing. Like seriously, both of us like flopped down.
It was a, yeah, it was a flop. Mine was definitely a flop.